Hey everyone, welcome to Neil's World. In this video, you will learn how to keep your phone running smoother and faster, following some simple tips. The first one is, if you find your phone to be very sluggish or getting slower, what you can do is simply restart your phone. We always forget to restart our phone and we keep it running for weeks and months, but simple restart will help you get your phone a bit faster. So restart your phone to get it smoother. We used to install a lot of apps which we may require or may not require in the long run. Uninstall all those apps which you don't use frequently. You can always reinstall the apps that if you require in future. So it is a better idea to uninstall the apps that you don't use frequently. The third tip is that you need to update your phone software. That means the Android version. If it is available, any updated software version for your phone, it is a better idea to get it updated. Updated software will ensure that your phone is running smoother, and the phone will also have the latest security patches so that your phone remains secure from any bugs or from any other harmful exploit. That is a very simple thing to do. Update your phone software. Go to the software update page in your settings and check if there is any update available. If it is there, always update as soon as possible. And one more tip regarding getting your phone faster is that you can remove individual app cache memory. What I mean by individual app cache is that you can use a software optimizer in your phone like SD-Made or some other like Google Files which help you to remove the cache memory of to restore the cache memory or to refresh the cache memory of your phone. But that does not make sure that individual app cache is refreshed or individual app cache is deleted. Go to each app, go to app info, go to storage settings and delete the cache memory. That way you will ensure that any cluttered files that is staying in your phone is deleted. So that way you will have your phone in a cleaner state. You will get a lot of extra memory as well. That is one of the very simple tips that you can apply in your phone to get it faster. And always back up your photos and videos so that you can clear up your phone memory so that it runs faster. So these are very simple tips that you can employ in your day-to-day life, in your phone, in your Android device to get it fast. Keep watching my videos. You will get more such tips for other Android related apps and services.